For centuries, the moon has captivated humanity. We've gazed at it, studied it, and even walked on its surface. The Apollo missions of the 1960s and 70s marked a monumental achievement in human history, allowing us to set foot on another celestial body. Yet the moon still holds secrets. Its barren, cratered landscape is a testament to billions of years of cosmic history, and many mysteries remain unsolved. One of the most intriguing discoveries in recent times is the presence of water on the moon. This finding has revolutionized our understanding of the lunar environment. This revelation has ignited excitement about the potential for future lunar exploration. Scientists and engineers are now envisioning new missions that could utilize this precious resource. Water on the moon is not like the oceans we have on Earth. It's not found in vast flowing bodies, but rather in small quantities, often trapped in the lunar soil. It exists mainly as ice, frozen in the cold, dark recesses of the moon. Hidden in permanently shadowed craters at the lunar poles, this ice has likely been there for millions, if not billions of years, preserved by the frigid temperatures. This water ice represents a valuable resource for future human missions. It could be mined and processed to support long-term lunar habitation. It could provide drinking water, oxygen, and even rocket fuel. By splitting water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen, we can create fuel for rockets, enabling deeper space exploration. The presence of water on the moon opens up a world of possibilities. It could make the moon a stepping stone for missions to Mars and beyond. With water as a resource, we can establish sustainable outposts, reducing the need to transport everything from Earth. This discovery has spurred a new era of lunar exploration, with international collaborations and private companies joining the quest to unlock the moon's potential. The moon, once a distant dream, is now within our reach. Its water ice could be the key to humanity's future in space. As we look up at the moon, we are reminded of our potential to explore, discover, and thrive beyond our home planet. The journey has just begun. The discovery of lunar water has raised many questions. Where did it come from? How did it get trapped in the polar craters? Scientists are actively investigating these mysteries. One theory suggests that comets and asteroids carrying water ice bombarded the early moon. Another possibility is that solar wind interacting with the lunar surface could have contributed to the formation of water molecules. Lunar Trailblazer aims to provide answers. NASA's Lunar Trailblazer mission is set to revolutionize our understanding of lunar water. This small but mighty spacecraft will orbit the moon, meticulously mapping the distribution and abundance of water ice. Trailblazer's data will be crucial for planning future human missions. It will help identify the most promising locations for lunar bases and resource extraction. The mission will also shed light on the lunar water cycle, revealing how water moves and interacts on the moon's surface. Lunar Trailblazer carries two sophisticated instruments to accomplish its mission. The first, called the High-Resolution Volatiles and Minerals Moon Mapper, or HVM3, is a high-tech imaging spectrometer. HVM3 will observe the moon in infrared light. This will allow it to detect the unique spectral fingerprints of water molecules. By analyzing the reflected light, HVM3 will create detailed maps, pinpointing the location and concentration of water ice on the lunar surface. The second instrument on board Lunar Trailblazer is the Lunar Thermal Mapper, or LTM. LTM will measure the temperature of the moon's surface at different times of day and night. These temperature variations can provide clues about the composition of the lunar soil. Areas with water ice tend to retain heat differently than dry regions. LTM's data will complement HVM3's observations, providing a more complete picture of the lunar water cycle. Lunar Trailblazer is a testament to the power of collaboration. NASA is leading the mission, but it involves partnerships with several other institutions. Caltech is responsible for the overall mission design and development. Lockheed Martin Space built the spacecraft. The UK Space Agency contributed to the development of the LTM instrument. This international collaboration highlights the global significance of lunar exploration. Section 7, Trailblazer's Impact, Paving the Way for Future Exploration. The information gathered by Lunar Trailblazer will be invaluable for future lunar missions. It will guide the selection of landing sites, ensuring that future astronauts have access to vital water resources. Trailblazer's findings will also influence the design of future lunar rovers and habitats. Understanding the distribution of water ice will enable engineers to develop technologies for extracting and utilizing this resource. Section 8, Lunar Base Camp, a future fueled by water. Imagine a world where the moon is not just a distant celestial body, but a thriving hub of human activity. This vision is becoming increasingly plausible as we uncover more about the moon's resources. The presence of water ice on the moon opens up exciting possibilities for establishing a permanent human presence. Water is not just a vital resource for sustaining life, it is a cornerstone for various essential processes. The discovery of ice in the shadowed craters of the moon's poles is a game changer. Water can be broken down into its components, hydrogen and oxygen, through a process known as electrolysis. This simple yet powerful chemical reaction can be conducted using solar energy, which is abundant on the moon. The ability to generate hydrogen and oxygen on site is revolutionary. These elements can be used as rocket propellant, making the moon a potential refueling station for missions to Mars and beyond. Imagine spacecraft landing on the moon, refueling, and then continuing their journey deeper into space. This could significantly reduce the cost and complexity of interplanetary travel. Lunar water could also support life support systems and even be used for growing food in lunar greenhouses. By cultivating plants on the moon, we can create a sustainable food source for astronauts, reducing the need for supply missions from Earth. This self-sufficiency is crucial for long-term lunar habitation and future space exploration. Section 9, Trailblazer's timeline awaiting launch. Lunar Trailblazer is currently in its final stages of preparation. The spacecraft has undergone rigorous testing to ensure its readiness for the harsh lunar environment. The mission is scheduled to launch in 2024 as part of NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Services initiative. Once in lunar orbit, Trailblazer will begin its mission of mapping the moon's water ice, ushering in a new era of lunar exploration. Section 10, Expanding Our Horizons Beyond the Moon. As we venture into the vast expanse of space, our journey doesn't end with the moon. It is merely the beginning of a grand adventure that will take us to the farthest reaches of our solar system and beyond. Lunar Trailblazer is not just about the moon. It is a pioneering mission that aims to unlock the secrets of our celestial neighbor and pave the way for future explorations. By studying the moon's surface and its resources, we are laying the groundwork for sustainable human presence on other planets. The technologies and knowledge gained from this mission will have far-reaching implications for our understanding of the solar system. Scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to develop innovative tools and techniques that will help us explore other planets and moons with greater precision and efficiency. The techniques used to detect and map water ice on the moon can be applied to other celestial bodies such as Mars. By identifying water sources on Mars, we can support future manned missions and potentially establish colonies on the Red Planet. This knowledge is crucial for our long-term survival and expansion into space, and the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. These distant worlds hold the promise of untold discoveries, from the potential for extraterrestrial life to the understanding of planetary formation and evolution. The data we gather from these missions will revolutionize our comprehension of the universe. Lunar Trailblazer represents a crucial step in our quest to explore and understand the cosmos. It is a testament to human ingenuity and our unyielding desire to push the boundaries of what is possible. As we look beyond the moon, we are reminded that the universe is vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Our journey has just begun and the possibilities are endless.
So hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and let's turn the page on a new adventure together. Get ready to experience books like never before, only on VBook 360. Like, comment, and share to support the channel and keep the video magic alive. Thank you for stopping by. And remember, every video has a story, and every story deserves to be shared. See you in the next video.